Hello and welcome to this video. I will share with you how you can cancel your Instantly AI subscription. So if you have a premium subscription, follow me in this video. I see some steps to cancel the subscription. So friends, all you have to do, you have to setting and billing. From here, as you can see here, go to the setting and the billing. When you click this icon, you will see setting icon. This is for the setting. Go to billing, as I say. Scroll down till this see this option, see cancellation option on the bottom on the right down here. You will see a button for cancellation. Just click this button from here and then click confirm. As you can see here on the screen, click on cancel plan. You will see just like this plan, cancel plan, and then scroll down, click on cancellation or cancel all the plan. After that, confirm your plan. As you can see, click cancel. You will see your state here was cancelled successfully. It is easy steps, friends. Just click cancel plan and then confirm your cancellation. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this